welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to explain about a project titled Identifying a Fake Profile Across Online Social Network by Using the Neural Networks. The main objective of this project is to use of the artificial neural network for identifying and differentiating the real and counterfeit profiles on social media platforms. The ANN algorithm will be trained using a data set that includes information from both genuine and fraudulent users. The goal is to effectively classify the new account data and improving the overall security of online platforms. The objective of this research is to utilize the artificial neural network to accurately distinguish between the authentic and counterfeit profiles found on the social media networks. And by training the ANN algorithm with a data set that comprise the details from both verified and fraudulent accounts, the objective is to create a dependable model capable of efficiently classifying and detecting the fake profiles in real time. The basic requirements that are needed to build this project are hardware requirements, operating system as Windows, processor of i5 and above, RAM of 4 GB and above, hard disk of 20 GB and above. Software requirement, Python IDE with version of 3.7. These are the modules that are developed to build this project. The first module is Upload Social Network Profile Dataset. This module enables the user to upload a social network profile dataset to the application. It provides functionality to the select and upload the dataset containing the social network profile data. And the second module is Pre-processed Dataset. In this module, various pre-processing techniques are applied to the uploaded dataset. This includes handling the missing values in the data by removing or imputing them. Additionally, the dataset is split into the training and testing set. The application typically utilizes 80% of the dataset for training an artificial neural network and reserves the remaining 20% for testing the accuracy of the ANN prediction. The third module is Run the ANN algorithm. This module involves training the ANN algorithm using the pre-processed dataset. The ANN is trained with both the training and testing data to generate the trained model. The ANN algorithm learns from the patterns and relationships present in the data during the training process. This trained model can later be used to predict and classify whether new profiles are genuine or fake. And the fourth module is ANN accuracy and loss graph. During the training process of the ANN, this module track and visualize the performance of the model using the accuracy and loss metrics. The ANN algorithm is typically trained over multiple epochs or iterations, and at each epoch or iteration, the accuracy and loss values are recorded. The accuracy graph displays how well the ANN is performing in terms of correctly predicting the genuine or fake profile, while the loss graph represents the deviation between the predicted and actual values. The final module is Predict the Fake or Genuine Profile using the ANN. In this module, users can upload the new test data such as social network profile to the application. The trained ANN model generated in the previous module is then applied to predict whether the test data correspond to a genuine or fake profile. By inputting the test data into the trained model, the ANN algorithm uses its learned patterns and features to make predictions and classify the profile accordingly. The execution of the project. To execute the project, first we need to open the code folder. This is the code folder consisting of different files. The dataset folder consisting of the dataset and the testing dataset, and the model folder consisting of the SVM file which contain the algorithm information. These files can be loaded into the project code during the runtime to utilize the trained model for various tasks, such as making the predictions on new data or performing the specific operations. and this is main code file, and this is run.bat file. Instead of executing the program in command line interface, we created Windows bat file to execute the project. Now to run the project, double click on run.bat file. This is the graphical user interface. With this, we are interacting with the program. First, we need to click on Upload Social Network Profile Dataset. By this, we are going to import this dataset and click on Open button. Here we can see that our dataset is loaded and contains of the columns and rows of account age, gender, user age, link, description, status count, friend count, location and location IP address. And then click on Pre-processed dataset button. Here the dataset is pre-processed and the total profiles contained in the dataset is of 600 and the total profile used for training the ANN algorithm is of 480 and the testing the ANN algorithm is of 120. And then click on Run ANN algorithm button. By this, the ANN model is generated on the pre-processed dataset. Here we can see of the console to find the epochs. Here we set of 100 epochs and it's executing. Here the ANN model is generated and use of accuracy of 100%, and then click on Run Quantum SVM algorithm button. By this, the SVM algorithm is generated by using the pre-processed data set. And giving an accuracy of 100%. And then click on ANN accuracy and loss graph button. Here we get an graph where x-axis represents of epochs or iteration and y-axis represents the accuracy or loss value. And in this graph, the green line represents of the accuracy and blue line represents of loss value. And we can see accuracy was increased up to 9 of 1 and loss value decreased from 7 to 0.1. Now model is ready, and now close this graph and then click on Predict Fake or Genuine Profile using the ANN button. And it is redirected to the dataset folder, and select the test data and click on Open button. Here we get a screen of this. The data present between the square brackets is of test data and the given account is predicted as genuine for this test record, and for this test record the predicted as fake. In this way, we can predict the account details as of genuine and fake by using the neural networks like of ANN. In conclusion, the utilization of artificial neural network has demonstrated its effectiveness in accurately identifying and distinguishing between the genuine and fake profiles on online social networks. By training the ANN model with a comprehensive data set, we have achieved a reliable and efficient system for detecting fraudulent accounts, thereby enhancing the security and integrity of online social platforms.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.